In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub to Lovable.dev Web App, Sync GitHub Guide. We're going to link your Lovable project to GitHub so your changes can sync smoothly and your workflow stays clean. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to confirm that everything is connected the right way. Start by opening the Lovable website and making sure you're inside the exact project you want to sync. Double check the project name and environment so you don't accidentally connect the wrong app. If you work across multiple projects or workspaces, take a second to verify you're in the correct one before moving on. Next, look to the upper right corner of your Lovable project and click the GitHub logo. This is the Connect GitHub action. If this is your first time connecting, you may be prompted to authenticate with GitHub or confirm permissions. That's normal. Make sure you're logged into the GitHub account that owns or has access to the repository you plan to use, and keep your browser pop-ups allowed so the flow isn't interrupted. When the GitHub connection panel appears, click the name of your GitHub account or organization that should own the linked repository. If you need to use a different GitHub account or switch organizations, choose the option to manage your organization. This is helpful when your repository lives under a company or team rather than a personal account. Selecting the correct owner here prevents confusion later. You'll then see an option labeled Transfer Anyway. Click that to confirm the connection. This action acknowledges that Lovable will link your project to the selected GitHub owner and proceed with the sync workflow. If you're unsure, pause here and review which account or org you've selected so everything maps to the right repository space. After confirming, click Go Back to return to your project view in Lovable. Once you're back, click the GitHub logo in the upper right again to check the status. You should now see that the project is connected. If the status doesn't update immediately, refresh the page and look again. Still not connected? Revisit the previous selections to ensure you chose the correct GitHub account or organization and that you completed the confirmation step. That's it. Your Lovable project is now connected to GitHub. From here, you can enjoy a smoother development loop with your code changes synced and ready for collaboration. Congratulations and happy building.